How to turn on Meta AI Instagram. It's a very simple and a quick process, so let's get started. First thing first, head over to your application Instagram. Make sure you are logged into a specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on this home page. Once you are in this page, tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. And then click on this three horizontal line at the top right corner. In the section of For Professionals, you can see the option of Meta Verified. Click on it, and then tap on Join the Waitlist. But you should know that this Meta AI feature will be turned on only for the people who have the verified badge. But still, if you do not have this feature, then what you want to do is scroll all the way down to the bottom, and then tap on Help. Tap on Report a Problem. Click on Include and Continue. Now in this section, what you want to write is, I'm missing Meta AI on my account. I need this issue to be fixed. Once you have entered, tap on Send at the top right corner of the screen. The report will be submitted. After that, you will be good to go. So that's the wrap for this video. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing to our channel. We'll see you in the next one.